Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to delete your phones off your Bluetooth. I was trying to do it and it was kind of annoying, but I figured it out, so let me make it easy for you guys. Looks like you turn on your radio, you go ahead and hit the phone button, and usually it says no phones are connected. Would you like to connect to a phone? Usually you automatically, for some reason, we just push yes, but in this case we want to push no. Then from there it'll take you to this screen. Then you want to go ahead and hit phone setup. Then you want to look through your system here, and then you want to hit Bluetooth setup. And then from down here you want to hit delete device. So that's like the hidden option. So I was in the other setup and I was kind of annoyed. So there we go. We want to go ahead and delete that one. Hit yes. So there you go. So we can add more phones and clear up the data from the Bluetooth. So alright guys, hopefully this helps.